Welcome back to Bookie and Cookie's Comic Club, and today we'll be doing Wink and Sleep. First off, we'll be doing Wink. You want to draw one eye like this, and then the other one is sort of arched. And there we go. Also, we got to add the nudge. You know, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Oof. That's quite a hard nudge. Also, in case you're wondering, this is the bored face with us a straight line for a mouth and eyes. That's the bored face, which he's got because he's just getting nudged in, right there in the ribs. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Now for sleep. First, you won't just fall asleep standing up. You've got to go on your bed that has a nice, lovely headboard. Okay, here we go, here we go. Got to do a sort of M shape for the two closed eyes, and then add some covers because you need covers on. It's winter in Stickman Land. You can see because out the window you can see there are snowflakes falling everywhere. Yeah, there are snowflakes in Stickman Town. Also, why didn't your parents close the blinds? Okay, why didn't your parents close your lovely, lovely blinds for night time? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to come back for another How to Draw adventure with Bookie and Cookie. Yeah, that's me. Bye. Bye, everybody. Subscribe and like.